Patterns and relationships with multi-digit numbers. The hundreds chart. Every classroom should have a hundreds chart. Hundred charts have many different patterns. Some place value patterns are the number in a column all end with the same number. You can count by tens going down the right-hand column. Those are just a couple of the examples. There's so many other patterns that students can find. The relationship with landmark numbers. Landmark numbers are multiples of 10, 100, and occasionally other numbers like 25. Students will use these numbers when they learn informal methods of computation. Here's an example of a number line. Connecting place value to addition and subtraction. Students need to have the groundwork for both conceptual and procedural knowledge in order to connect place value to addition and subtraction. When creating activities for the students, the main goal is to further students' understanding of base 10 and prepare them for addition and subtraction. Connecting to real-world ideas. Second grade students should be thinking about numbers under 100. Students that are in third grade should be thinking of numbers up to 1,000. Teachers can help students connect numbers to the real world. An example of this would be having the students at an elementary school or in the class count how many girls are in the third grade. They could count the entire third grade. They could count the boys. They could even count girls, make a graph, and then do boys and make a graph. But for third grade, that might be a little bit advanced, but it's just an idea. Make a graph or chart or write a story about how you counted the students.